5 reasons why carbide cutting tools will revolutionize your woodworking projects. Carbide cutting tools are the secret weapons in every woodworker's toolbox, offering unparalleled durability and precision for your woodworking projects. From carbide-tipped saw blades to router bits and planer blades, these tools are engineered to stay sharp longer, making them ideal for cutting through hardwoods and abrasive materials with ease. In this guide, we will delve into the top 5 reasons why carbide tools will revolutionize your woodworking endeavors, equipping you with the knowledge and tools needed to take your craft to the next level. Carbide tools have become synonymous with endurance in the woodworking industry. Unlike traditional steel blades, which can dull quickly when faced with the rigors of cutting through tough materials, carbide-tipped tools maintain their edge for significantly longer periods. This is because carbide is a compound of carbon and tungsten, which is substantially harder than steel. When you work with carbide cutting tools, such as saw blades and router bits, you'll notice they don't just stay sharp longer. They also require less frequent sharpening or replacement. This durability translates to smoother cuts, fewer interruptions for tool maintenance, and ultimately a more efficient workflow in your woodworking projects. It's the kind of longevity that can help woodworkers manage their time and resources better, keeping the focus on craftsmanship and creativity. The resilience of carbide cutting tools is unmatched in the woodworking arena. The secret lies in the material's resistance to wear and tear. Carbide, being a robust material, can withstand the high heat and friction generated during cutting operations, which often causes other materials to wear down or even fail. This resistance to wear ensures that carbide tools don't just last longer, but also maintain their precision and efficiency over time, even under continuous use. This is particularly beneficial for woodworking tools, which are subject to rigorous use and can be costly to replace. By investing in carbide tools, woodworkers can decrease the frequency of tool purchases, reduce the downtime associated with tool changes, and maintain a consistent quality of work. The resilience of carbide is not just a cost-effective choice. It's a smart investment in your woodworking's future. Woodworking is an art that demands accuracy, and precision cuts are at the heart of every masterpiece. Carbide cutting tools are designed to meet this exacting standard. The robustness of carbide allows for a sharper edge that can be honed to a fine point, enabling woodworkers to make cuts that are clean and precise. This is essential when working on intricate designs or joinery where every millimeter counts. Moreover, the consistent performance of carbide tools means that woodworkers can rely on the same level of accuracy from the first cut to the last. Tools that maintain their edge avoid the variability that can come with dulling blades, ensuring that each piece of work is of the highest quality. For woodworkers who pride themselves on precision, carbide tools are the clear choice, enabling them to elevate their craft with confidence. In the world of woodworking, complexity often equates to beauty. Carbide cutting tools are an essential ally in transforming complex designs into reality. The strength of carbide allows for the creation of blades with intricate profiles capable of executing detailed work with ease. Whether you're crafting dovetail joints or adding decorative edges, carbide tools can handle the complexity without compromising on the finish. Their sharpness and precision reduce the need for sanding or finishing work, thus streamlining the woodworking process. Additionally, the reliability of carbide tools means that even the most complex cuts can be repeated with accuracy, ensuring consistency across multiple pieces. For woodworkers looking to push the boundaries of their creativity, carbide cutting tools make the intricate simple, allowing for a greater expression of skill and imagination in every project. For woodworkers, the decision to invest in high-quality tools is often dictated by the balance between upfront cost and long-term value. Carbide cutting tools represent a smart investment because they offer exceptional cost efficiency over time. The initial cost of carbide tools may be higher than their steel counterparts, but their longevity means fewer replacements and lower expenses in the long run. Additionally, the time saved in maintenance and the reduction in downtime due to fewer tool changes can significantly increase productivity. The durability of carbide tools also means less wear on the machines they are used with, which can reduce repair costs and extend the life of the equipment. By choosing carbide cutting tools, woodworkers can ensure a more predictable cost structure, better budgeting, and a more profitable operation. It's not just about spending less, but about investing wisely for maximum return. Adding carbide cutting tools to your woodworking toolbox can give your craft a significant boost. These tools not only enhance the quality and precision of your work but also imbue your woodworking process with efficiency and reliability. By investing in carbide tools, woodworkers can tackle a wider range of projects with confidence, knowing their tools are up to the task. Furthermore, the consistency provided by carbide tools allows for better planning and execution of woodworking projects, as the variables associated with tool wear are greatly diminished. This boost to your toolbox is not just a matter of having the right tools for the job. It's about having tools that elevate your entire woodworking practice. For professionals and hobbyists alike, carbide cutting tools are not just another purchase. They are a strategic addition that can lead to a higher caliber of workmanship and satisfaction in the craft. Visit our website to see our entire selection of carbide cutting tools.